class, good morning. What will you reply? Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher Rose. So my name is teacher Rose. Oh, it's my name.
Hey, Ajmar, sit down.
Aljimar, sit down. Okay.
Hey.
So our lesson for today, Dave, can you see me? See me? Okay. I'm signing here.
Hey.
Good. So our lesson for today is about steps on hand washing. You're familiar with this one? You know this? What's this one? Yeah, Nana, what's this? Soap. Very good. Aljamir, come here. I'll give you one. Yay! Take your sip. Take your sip, take your sip. Okay, next. What is this? Ethan. Towel. Very good. Joshua. Damir, come here, both of you. You answered correctly. Come here, come here. Damir. Ethan, come here. Good. I'll go back to your sip. Now, you know what this is and what this is? Yeah. This is soap. Soap. Very good. Alaria. What is this? Soap. Nana. What is this? Soap. Dave? Soap. Damir? Soap. Bran? Soap. Ajmar? Soap. Joshua? Okay. Ethan? Soap. Very good. Next, what is this? Towel. Nana? Towel. Dave? Towel. Very good. Towel. Alaria? Hand towel. Okay. So you mentioned earlier towel, but you have to add hand. Okay, mano leta usa. Joshua, right? Mano leta usa. It's not on face, but on hands. Okay, very good. So I will show you a video. So let's all stand. Stand tayo. Stand. And we will dance first. Okay. You form your line on this side. Okay, go. There's so many of you. Okay. Dave, Alaria, go back muna dito. Dave and Alaria. Ajmar, dito ka sa front. Come here. Dito. Bran, are you okay, Bran? Come here, so forward. Okay, Ajmar, stay there. Okay. Come here. Yan, Nana. Ethan, and Damir, then Dave. Okay, Alaria. Can you see it? Joshua, come forward. Okay, very good. Now, can you see that? Can you see? You face the TV. Face the TV. Face the TV. Face the TV. Yan. Okay, Ajmar. Very good. Okay, Alaria. There. Brad. Brad. What's happening to Brad? Okay. What's happening to your tummy, Brad? Okay, one. Face forward. Nana, come here. Okay, let's see. Turn hands and washing hands, it's what we do. Nasty germs are very near. See how this all, let's get clean. Okay, use your hands, learn that. Get some hands, so just like that. Rub your hands and rub your mouth. Smile, don't be it down with soap, water, and then what happens next? Rub your palm. Very good. Follow like this one. Rub your palm. Okay. After rubbing your palm, in. Take it back. Back. Scrub at your back. Yeah. Scrub your back. Okay. And then, after scrubbing your back, interlace. Okay. Follow, follow, follow. Very good. Joshua, come here. You're following. Next. Okay, very good. After doing this one, what's next? Oh, no, not yet, Ajmar. Not yet, not yet. After doing this one, what's next? This one. Okay, after doing this one, what's next? Scrub. Scratch. 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 Okay, after scratching. Okay, after scratching, there is one. Okay. Relax. And then last, roll on your fingers. Very good. Roll on your fingers. Alaria, Alaria. Do not do that one yet. Follow teacher. You put that one on the curls. Okay? You're not gonna use that one. Fold, 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 and then water. The end. Okay, you can tell me. You can tell me again. Okay, Ajam, from the start. From the start, what are you gonna do first? Bathroom ka? Okay, go. Oh, one lang. One only. Bran, do not go together with Dave. With Ethan. Bran, come here. After here. Ashmore, come here. Bran, faster, faster. One more lang. You first. Bran. Ashmore. Go to the bathroom, Bran. After Bran, go here. Come here. Inside. Okay, go inside. Okay, snare seated. Ethan, do not move that one. Yes, it's moving. Dave. Alairi. Take your seat. Okay, very good. So now I'm going to end the video. So I'm going to remove this one. Okay. So now who's gonna tell me what is this? This one. Okay. Damir, come here. You put this one on this or this? This one. Very good. Joshua. This one? This one. Very good. Okay, next. Give me this one. Hand. Towel. Nana? Hand. Towel. Joshua? Hand. 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 Boses. Habla. Hand. Towel. Okay, very good. Ajmar? Hand. Towel. Ashdamir? Okay, dito pa. Ethan? Hand. Hand. Towel. Hand towel. Very good. Alarie? Hand towel. Ajmar? Joshua? Ethan? Damir? Dave and Yana? Hand towel. Very good. Next. Where is hand towel? This one?
Yes.
Okay. Hand towel?
And now?
This one.
Yes.
Okay, now tell me where's the soap? Oh, get inside, Bran.
Next action.
Ajmar, go outside. You go back here afterwards. Okay, go back there.
Open it.
No, not yet, not yet. Oh,
Bran,
no, Bran,
sit
sit down. This is open again. I guess I'll go like okay. Who can tell me where's the soap? Point your fingers up. Point to the soap. Point the soap. Okay, I will not teach you where's the soap. Where's the soap? This one is the soap? Where's the soap? There, very good. Okay, this time, I call 3 by 3. We will go there in the health corner. Okay? We will wash hands 1 by 1. Okay? 1 by 1. Okay, first. And if I saw someone standing, you will not receive this one. Okay? Joshua, put that one there on the side. Para sa link. Rashken sa bulingse. Yes. Okay. Girls, Nana, Alari, go there. You stand, you stand. Opo. Alari, Nana, go there. Let's go there. Followed by Ethan and Brad. Come here, Brad. Ethan. So you go there. Form a line. No, not malay. Not malay. Okay, go. Form a line. Go there. We'll use this one. Joshua. Di ba ba kunising? Okay, see. Bring. Okay, very good. Where's your lines? Where is your line? No, it's okay. Yes, there. Careful.
Huh?
Okay. Okay, first, Dave, Damir, take your seat muna. Akianay. Oh, take your seat on the floor. Take your seat on the floor. I know, Alye lang sa deso. Oh, go. Take your seat. Joshua, take your seat there. Here, Joshua. Aki. Dito muna. There ya. Take your seat muna there. Everyone. Have your space. Okay, Joshua, Brad, Alia. Dave, go na. Ethan, you still have here space? Sit here first. Sit here, Ethan. Okay, dito si Dave, come here. Bran, come here. Here, take a seat there. Okay. So I'll call you 1 by 1, huh? Nana, come here. This one. No water? It's fine. We'll find water.